Is your Bluetooth option missing in Windows 11? Or maybe your headphone, mouse, keyboard or mobile just won't connect? In this video, I will show you the fastest and easiest way to turn on Bluetooth in Windows 11 step by step. And if Bluetooth is not working, I will also show you quick fixes to solve it instantly. So watch this video till the end. So friend, first thing first, here what we will do, simply click on this start button and then here we are going to search settings. So friend, when you click over here, then you will get this settings page. Here you will see the left hand side, you will see Bluetooth devices. Okay, you simply click on it and here if this option will not showing, that means your Bluetooth is not working right now. So what you will do, simply click on this add device and here you will get this Bluetooth option. Then you simply click on it and what happened, your Windows will find out your device. This device is already added, that's why that is not showing. But in your case, maybe your Bluetooth is not showing, then you can add device. Okay, after that you can simply click on this Bluetooth option and here you will get this turn on option. Okay, you simply click on this toggle button when your Bluetooth device is on and you can find out any Bluetooth device in your location. Okay, so by this way you can easily connect your Bluetooth device over here and that device will automatically connecting over here. Okay, so this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can enable Bluetooth in your Windows PC. So friend, if this video helped you, then please click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. And friend, if you are coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.